In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete draft campaign in Mailchimp. So first, go ahead and open Mailchimp on your computer and log into your account like normal. Once everything loads, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your marketing tools, audience data, and campaign controls are located in one place. This is basically your control center, so everything you do starts from here. Now look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp stores every email you create, including drafts, scheduled campaigns, and emails that have already been sent. Once you click into Campaigns, you'll see a full list of your email activity displayed in the main area of the screen. At this point, you want to narrow things down so you're only seeing drafts. Look at the top of the campaign list where the filtering options are located. You'll see a status filter that lets you sort your campaigns based on their current state. Go ahead and click the status filter so the drop-down options appear. From the list of options, select draft. Once you choose this, Mailchimp will automatically refresh the view and only show campaigns that are still saved as drafts. This makes it much easier to manage unfinished or unused emails without getting distracted by everything else in your account. Now take a moment to look through the filtered list and find the draft campaign you want to delete. You might have one or several, depending on how often you create emails. Once you've located the correct draft, go ahead and check the box next to it. This selection step is important because Mailchimp only enables actions like delete after something is selected. After selecting the draft, look toward the top of the list where the action buttons appear. Once a campaign is selected, additional options become available. You should now see the delete button at the top of the list. Go ahead and click delete. At this point, Mailchimp may prompt you with a confirmation message just to make sure you really want to remove the draft. This is a safety step to prevent accidental deletion. If you're sure, confirm the action to proceed. Once confirmed, the draft campaign will be permanently removed from your account. It will no longer appear in your campaign list or under drafts, helping you keep your workspace clean and organized. After that, the list will refresh automatically, and you'll only see the remaining drafts or campaigns that were not selected for deletion. This helps you stay focused on active or important email work without clutter from unused drafts. And that's it. A simple way to delete a draft campaign in Mailchimp by filtering your campaigns, selecting the draft you don't need anymore, and using the delete option to keep your account organized and easier to manage over time.